Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is July 18, 2020 and I'm going to update you on most recent developments in silver, gold, as well as gold and silver miners. Let's have a look at silver. This is a weekly silver spot chart. Metal added 3.4%, closing at $19.33 on a weekly basis. Last week we suggested that silver was nearing a breakout. In fact, this Friday, the metal managed to close above a 7-year resistance line, which technically qualifies for a breakout. Although it's not a very convincing breakout yet, the implications of this price action will be far more important than most could imagine. Initial target for silver would be $21 per troy ounce, which would represent almost 10% gain from present price level. Next major target for silver would be $26, which in its turn make up almost 35%. As metal is breaking out, I expect the advance to the major target of $26 to be relatively quick. However, once silver reaches $26, it will face a major resistance that has formed back in 2011 and 12. But for the next week, I wouldn't be surprised if silver clears its recent high at $19.71 and advances above $20. While silver is breaking out of the major resistance, silver miners are going to explode higher over the coming days and weeks. Initial target for SIL is $55 and next major target is $75-$80 range, which would represent almost 100% gain from present levels. Now let's have a look at gold. This is a 4-hour August gold futures chart. After breaking out of triangle formation, gold advanced as high as $1,829, but since then sold off a bit and has been range trading within flag shape formation. While silver gained 3.4%, gold advanced a small 0.6% on a weekly basis. Having dipped below $1,800 level twice, gold managed to close on Friday at $1,812. We have been warning that $1,800 level will pose a significant resistance that is standing from 2011 and 12. Long-term sellers appear every time when gold tries to break out higher. Now let's switch to 2-hour chart. Since early June, gold has been trading in the ascending channel formation, with support in blue color and resistance in red. As you can see, gold broke the support line on July 14, but buyers stepped in and managed to push gold back into the channel. On July 16, support was tested once again, but this time sellers managed to break support and push gold price as low as $1,792. Having broken a month and a half long channel formation, gold did not manage to overcome it, closing just under support, which is now acting as a resistance. If gold fails to overcome this blue line, it could sell off towards our long expected target of $1,765-$1,775 range. Any sell-off will most likely be very short-lived, as buyers will quickly step in to push gold price back towards $1,800 level. For the next week, I welcome gold's advance higher, but convinced that one more sell-off would create a solid base for gold's next major advance. In the grand scheme, I believe gold is completing its consolidation at $1,800 level and should start next major advance up to $1,900 level in the coming weeks. Finally, moving on to 4-hour GDX chart. Although index added almost 2.4%, it largely traded within $37-$39 range, as forecasted last week. $39-$40 level represents a major resistance standing from 2011. However, Once gold completes its present consolidation at $1,800 level and starts advancing higher, our next target for GDX would be $55, which would represent almost 40% gain from present levels. This is it for today. Thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Finally, please note that this video is not an investment advice and created solely for educational purposes. Wishing you a very nice weekend.